I am Mangai auntie who tells his stories in Thirukkuralum Kuralum. I am a gynecologist who was practicing gynecology for more than 45 years in Chennai, in India. Now I retired. I am staying with my grandchildren, enjoying my grandchildren and their fun and mischief. Today, I want to talk to you about some of the crafts which I know to do. I can make jewelry with silk thread, silk cloth, terracotta, and paper quilling. So, today I want to demonstrate paper quilling jewelry in a video. Paper quilling is a very good craft. With paper quilling, you can make many things using your creativity. You can make miniature musical instruments, miniature 3D gods, and miniature furnitures of our household items. Now, let us get into the craft. For this paper quilling craft, we need these type of papers. These papers are easily available in all the craft stores, and if not, you can get it on online through Amazon. Next, what we need is paper quilling tool. This tool has got a slit in the tip. Next, we need a needle. Like this, we need one needle. Next, we need these slotted tools. We need this tool which is called circular tool. We need Fevicryl. This is a glue, not necessarily Fevicryl. Any white colorless glue will do. Then we need these two jump rings and these two ear pins. Then we need this nose plier and cutting pliers. Then we need one scissors. Now I am taking the necessary paper out of this spool. I have taken two colors, one dark pink, the other one light pink. Take the paper and cut it into half. Then once you cut it, this paper and this paper, each half paper. Now you glue them. Now you have to glue two color papers together. For gluing, I use a Fevicryl. Then you glue it like that. You need not apply much glue. Then just you press it. Now using this round tool, you go around it. Then in the first round, you glue it so that it will remain safe. See, now the second color comes outer and the light color goes as inner. Now, once you reach the tip, you glue it. After gluing, you just remove it from this tool. Carefully you have to remove it. See, now a circular piece has come. Now take the other half of the inner color and you use this quilling tool. You insert it into the slit. I told you, no, on the tip you got a slit. So you insert it, then you gradually roll it. At the same time it should be tight. You roll it tight. I am rolling it very slow so that you can easily follow it. Otherwise, you can do it fast. Can you see me rolling it? Hold it in both the fingers, then you roll it. Once you roll it, you see that it is. Now you gently take it out of this tool. Now it is a tight roll. Can you see how tight it is? Can you see how tight it is? Now you take this slotted tool and leave it there. Leave it to relax. And if it doesn't relax easily, then you have to make it to relax. Slowly you relax it. Now, once it relaxed, see how relaxed it is. Once it relaxed, you glue it. You glue the tips. Glue the tip. Then you pull it and pinch it. Thereby, it will look like a tear shape. Now, take the circular strip what we made, just you pinch it at one side. See, now this also looks like tear shaped. Now you have to glue this inner. You glue this into this. Then keep it pinched and hold it for some time with your fingers. Now I am going to make 4 more similar pieces for one side earring. See, now we have got 5 pieces. Now let us assemble these pieces into a earring. Now I start gluing each other. Thereby I am assembling all these 5 pieces into one earring. Now I am assembling the top 2 pieces. For assembling, I use only the Fevicryl glue. If you don't get Fevicryl, you can use any colorless white glue. Even what these children do for school art, right? That glue also can be used. Now this is assembled. Now on top of it, we have to make one small circular piece. Take one paper, 1/4 piece of the dark pink paper, and you make a small ring out of that with this quilling tool. We are gluing the tip of the circle. Now you take the jump ring, just open the jump ring out like that. You insert the jump ring into this small paper roll what you made. I am inserting into the then see now it has gone into this. Then take this ear pin. You insert the ear pin into this. Then you close the jump ring. For closing the jump ring, many times we can use our fingers, or at times better to use this tools. Now you fix this ring part with the drop. Wait for a few minutes, it will be glued fully. See? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.